class.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
How was your weekend so far?
Weekends were good.
It was fine, eh? Meanwhile, allow me to introduce a new topic, which is our topic 3, our chapter 3. And on to this chapter 3, in water supply, the subtopic is sources of water supply. Before we proceed further, allow me to give you the attendance sheets so that you can just sign, paint your signature onto your names. Don't sign for the others. Mr. Oyo, don't sign for the others, eh? As the attendance sheets goes around on water supplies, sources of water supply, there are some objectives. And the objectives, these are the key points, or things that you should know on this topic. The objectives that we have here is one. One is definition terms. The second one is sources of water. The third one is factors to consider when selecting water sources. Now, once more, we have got the definition. Can someone define for us what's the meaning of a source from your point of view? Yes.
I think the source is just where something is coming from.
Okay, that's a good trial. Another one with the idea or to emphasize from the points of your fellows. Okay. Yes, yes.
Source is a origin or something.
Source, I think the definition are somehow similar, but allow me to pound onto your points. A source is the origination point, the origin point. For example, you have got a source. Most likely a good example is where you come from is a source. Your background at home. And then as from that, we want to look something on the sources of water. On the sources of water, as you know that a source is the origination. And I think everyone knows the definition of water. Yes. Water is a colorless, odorless, tasteless liquid. Now we want to talk about the sources of water. Can someone, from your point of view, can someone give us yes, ma'am? A river? Mm-hmm. Yes, a good trial. Rain is good trial.
Underground source.
Yes. Underground source. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Balls. Now those are sources, but sources of water are categorized into surface sources. They are categorized as una surface as a source, then kuna underground. As a source, of which your points were correct, but let me pound onto them. We have got the surface sources and underground sources. Now surface sources, these are the water sources which are found near or above the earth surfaces. And then the underground sources, these are the water sources which are found deep under beneath the ground surface. And for example, surface source is a lake, a river, a dam. And then examples of underground, we have got the oases, the hot springs, and the craters. And then finally, according to our objectives, let's look something on the factors to consider when selecting a water source. As by now you know that water source, a water. Now factors to consider when selecting a water source. Factors to consider when selecting a water source. Yes?
Availability.
Come on. Just come up here again.
The nearness of the
Availability, yes. That's a good trial. Yes?
Factors to consider
When selecting a water source.
selecting a water source, the proximity of the existing water body.
Yes.
We have the depth of the water table around that particular place.
Good. You have got idea. Can you clap for your fellow? That's a good idea. Anyone who has got another point? Just the point which you have is the point. Now echo it out so that you can hear and modify it. When reaches an exam, you see a question like that, you will be able to analyze and answer it fully. Yes.
I think we should put in consideration cost. Costs that are going to incur make that water rich and
Good. You see that you have got a good point. That's a good point. That's a good point. For example, you talk about the cost. For example, when drilling the boreholes, the cost of the machine or the equipment that will be used during the drilling of the bores. And allow me to point on that those are points. That factors first, they should not be to the nearest of a waste, a dumping waste. For example, across the sewer line, something like that. And then the cost, as you said, you should take again consideration of environmental factors. Yes. Before I move further, there are some of the key terms or keywords that I'll give you. You should familiarize with you most of the time onto this topic. The keywords that you might have. One is source. Two, we have got hydrological cycle. Then the last one, reservoirs. Now, when doing your time, you can have a view of these key terminologies that the keyword that I've shared with you here. And then before we end the lesson, due to that the time is not on our side, I want to give you an assignment. And this assignment, you go do deeper and deeper research that when you come to the next lesson, you will present. You divide yourself in a group of three, and then you do a research on your own during your free time. After that, you come and converge as a group have the ideas which you have as you now finalize or coming up with the final copy which you will present. I think you're with the group leaders. The assignment that we have, I know some of you have the attendance of not doing the assignment. For example, class assignment, you fail to collect to write on time, and some of you do a research. You have got free Wi-Fi and you have got a free time. This is the first week and it is on a Monday basis. Assignment that you have. Draw this is the assignment. You draw it. After drawing it, you discuss. Before we finish, maybe get the attendance sheet as I confirm it that 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 5, 6. Okay. That's it is. Thank you for your time. And meanwhile, let's hope for the best as we will